We got a fun one today, guys. We've got the new Amazon Echo Hub. A lot of people are talking about it, and we're gonna show you how to mount it in the wall using power over Ethernet. No, this is not my house. I'm at Brandon's house, but we're gonna punch some holes in his wall, head up to his attic, and show you how that's done. But first, let's talk a little bit about the hub itself. The Echo Hub is designed to replace and be a full functioning home automation hub.
The Echo Hub supports Zigbee, Thread, Bluetooth, and Matter devices. According to Brandon, it compares favorably to a Crestron controller at a fraction of the price.
Inside the box, you just come with the hub. This stand is extra. It does come with a wall mount, which we're gonna use when we mount it on the wall. And it does not come with this PoE, power over Ethernet adapter either. So the Echo Hub, when mounted on the wall or on the stand, it works as a great dashboard. You got all your controls right here. You can turn your lights on and off, your fans on and off, just with the touch of a button. Okay. So you got all your cameras right here. You can pull up your, pull up the garage cam.
It works with Ring, Blink, Abode, Honeywell Home. Pretty much any camera you use is gonna work with this hub. Let's just say that.
Just to get back to home page, again, just go back to home. Yeah, just a lot of touch controls, and you get all your other information that you want to add. This is all customizable as far as the types of things you want to see on your dashboard, using their widgets, and there's other integrations as well. So compared to the Echo 8, you see it's about the same size, but the nice thing about this is that it's totally designed for a smart home hub. You're not going to run into ads yet. When you open it up, it comes right to your hub here, so you can get right to all your controls instantly. Again, if you want to see all your lights, there they are right there. You can scroll through, get whatever light you want, go back to your home page. When we look at the Show 8, again, there's just more things you gotta do. You're gonna run into different ads and stuff to get, you can go here and see some smart home favorites, but what you really gotta do, you gotta go to smart home, and then you can get your stuff. This area here is not quite as customizable as far as getting all these features on as it is in the new hub. It does have more robust speakers, so if you're gonna watch video, listen to things on there, this is the one to get. But if smart home is what you're looking for, the new Echo Hub is really what you wanna go with. We are gonna take this over to the wall and mount it on the wall using the PoE. So let's mask up and head to the attic.
If your router or switch does not provide PoE, you can add it using a PoE injector, like this one from TP-Link. Connect the router to the injector, and when it is plugged in, the line coming out will deliver data and power to whatever device it is connected to, which in our case is the Echo Hub. Now the Echo Hub itself does not have an Ethernet port, so on that end we need to add a PoE to USB-C converter. Brandon has a relatively new house that is wired with several network access points. So we're gonna go into the attic and we're gonna steal the Ethernet cable running to this ridiculous port located in the middle of his closet ceiling for some reason, and we're gonna run it down the wall into the bedroom to where he wants to mount the Echo Hub. So up to the attic we go.
Oh my God, how high does this thing go? Oh. We're gonna need a bigger ladder.
Okay, off to Menards we go for a new ladder. And this time I'm sending Brandon up to be the guinea pig.
Please tell me you got that.
Whenever you go into the attic, you should always wear a mask because of dust and insulation and who knows, probably COVID's hiding up there too. As you walk around an attic, be sure to only step on the ceiling joists and not the drywall ceiling itself or you might fall through, which is not a good look, especially if you're helping out a friend. Then again, maybe it would teach him a valuable lesson to hire a professional instead of trusting some idiot with a YouTube channel. First order of business is to find that ceiling Ethernet port we want to move. We knew the access point was basically in line with where we got into the attic, so it was relatively easy to find. Brandon then demonstrated the inefficiency of using a spade bit to drill a hole in a plastic box, but he powered through it. I was then able to disconnect the Ethernet cable from the ceiling plate and shove it up through the hole. Next, we needed to find the right place to drop the cable into the wall. By measuring the distance from the attic access to the wall, we were able to find the wall top plate beneath the insulation. We were fairly confident that these power cables run down to the switches in the wall, which is where we want to mount our hub. Thus, this was where we needed our drop point. Only one way to find out. With our cable dropped, it's time to mount the hub in the wall. We marked the screw holes for mounting the bracket, then cut a hole in the middle large enough to fit our PoE adapter. And there's the cable.
Oh, I see one! Yeah, baby! We did it!
A great success.
It's almost like we know what we're doing.
Yes.
Yeah!
Ta-da.
Now we can finish mounting the bracket to the wall. We'll feed the PoE cable and adapter through it, and once the bracket is nice and secure, we can push the cable and adapter into our hole in the wall and mount the hub onto the bracket. And look at that, it works. Life is good.
So there we go, we got a nice clean install. Looks great, relatively easy to do, just one trip to Home Depot required. And it's only a couple $100 for total control of your house compared to like thousands of dollars for like restaurant systems. So definitely worth checking out. And the only downside now is that we got a little bit of a mess that we've made around here, but hey, we've got robot vacuums. And if you want to see my latest review of the latest robot vacuum from Ecovac, check out the video on your screen right here. Thanks for watching.